Imagine a world where telecom field teams no longer wait days to understand what's happening on site, where a single field image can instantly reveal damaged infrastructure, missing signage, incomplete evidence, asset identifiers, or safety risks before they disrupt inspections, maintenance, or audit workflows. Where field detections and operational risks surfaced instantly through intelligent summaries, connected workflows, and conversational AI insights. And behind all that, AI and ML are continuously detecting telecom infrastructure, validating image quality, extracting field details, and turning fragmented visual evidence into structured operational intelligence. This is the future Cyient's intelligent infrastructure assessment is helping build, reducing repeat site visits and retruck costs by 10 to 25%, accelerating audit and acceptance cycles by 30 to 40%, cutting manual photo QA and review effort by 50 to 65%, improving compliance readiness through earlier detection of missing evidence and safety indicators, built for faster inspections at scale. Powered by over 3 decades of telecom engineering expertise, it's time to move from manual field surveys to actionable intelligence with Cyient.